Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we will start exercise 3.2 of chapter 3 data handling of class 7. So see here in question number 1, see what they are asking here. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 or 15 students is as follows here. So what we'll do here, see the scores here. 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Then find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? It means to say here what we have to find out. We have to find out the median and mode both. Then we have to check that both are same or not. So let's start it now. So as when you are going to find out the median or mode, just remember one thing, that find out the median and mode here both, you will always arrange the data in ascending order first. Fine. So what we'll do here, just arrange it. Take the smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? The smallest number is here 5. Then after that there is, after taking 5 we'll take here then 9. Then after taking that, you will also check that any number is repeating there. You can see after 9, see first of all 5 is there is no 6, there is no 7, there is no 8, there is 9. So right here 9. Then after 9 check there is any other number, 9 is there, so there is no 9. So let's move to the 10 now. So now check there is 10, 10, 10 is here. Yes, I will take this one number also 10. So I write here. Then after 10 I will check 11. Now check 11 is there. On observing this, we got here there is no 11. Then check 12. 12 is here. Check, 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 check. Yes, 12 is here. So this 12 is here. So right here 12. Then after 12 you can see 13 is not there, 14 is not there, but 15 is there as we have seen. So 15, right here 15. Then after that there is no 15 more. So right here next 16. So on writing this, you will see here there is no, even according to this as I have written there is no 70, there is no 18, then 19 is there, I have written 19. But now check here, 20 is 1 time, then 22 time, then 3 time, then 4 time. You have to write the 24 time. Don't even think that I will write only 21 time. That will be wrong, because these are the scores of students. Fine, marks. So they can be repeated. So write here how many times the number is repeating, write it as much time. Fine. So according to this 20 is 4 time here, then 23, 24, 25, 25. Fine. So in this way you please arrange all these scores in ascending order first. Now what we'll do? Now I am going to find out the mode and median. So according to rule, what is mode? Mode is the number which is repeating frequently, which is repeating again and again, or we can say the observation which is occurring most of the time. So that is the mode here. So what we'll do here, as you can see here 20 is repeating here 4 times. More time here, or we can say, so 20 is the mode. So how to write here? Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times, so mode is 20 here. And to find out the mean, what is mean here? Median here, median is the middle observation. So see here, as either you will check the term which is at the middle, so write that one term, or what will this do here? Please see one more method here. What we will do here, just check the how many terms are there in total. As it is given that there are total how many observations? 15 students marks are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how to write here? Write here 15 plus 1. This is the criteria to find out directly after arranging it in ascending order. So 15 plus 1 divide by 2. Right here 2th. It is here term. So 15 plus 1, that is 16. 16 divided by 2. On simplifying I got here 8th term. So now I will check that what is the 8th term here. So let's start now. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20 is here on 8th number. So that means to say here your median is here 20. So because the middle term is 20 here, so median is 20. Fine. So this one criteria also you can do to write down directly by using this one method. The method is n by 2th term. And what is here? This is to find out the median. Fine. And what is n here? N is the number of term. Fine. What is n here? The number of term. As the number of term is 15 here, so on the place of n I have written here 15. Fine. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2. On simplifying it, I got the 8th term. So on counting it, just don't count these one terms. Just count the ascending order which we have find out. We have, explained already or we have mentioned already in ascending order, count from there only. Fine. Then after this you will do it and you will come to know that which one term is on 8th number, the 20, that is your median. Now what they are asking here, are they same? So you will check here again, the mode is 20 and median is also 20, mean both are same. So yes, mode and median are same of both given observation. So in this way you can find out the median also. Fine. This is the criteria to simplify question number 1. Now let's move to the next sum, question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows here. So what we'll do here, so you can see here in this part, so what they're asking here, that these runs are given to you, the scored by the cricketers here. So these are the runs here. What is asking, find the mean, mode and median of the data. Are the three same? Mean to say here we have to find out the mean, mode and median and of the data, and we have to check that are they same. Again we will check that median, mode and mean all three are same or not. With it, this we have to check. So what we'll do here, just pay attention here, that first of all, as we know that in this sum we have to find out the three things. So in the beginning I will arrange the data in ascending order. Fine. So arrange all these numbers in ascending orders. On arranging it, what we got here, first of all I have to find out the mean, and as we know that already, what is mean here, the mean is sum of observation divided by the total number of observation. So we will add here all these observation, then divide by, as it is given that 11 players are there, so divide by 11. So on adding we got here 429 divided by 11 and it is 39, means your now mean is here 39. So next is mode here. So how to find out the mode? As we know that what is mode here, mode is the occurred, that number which occurred more frequently than other observation, that is known as mode. So what we'll do here, we will check the which one term is repeating again and again. This one 10 is repeating only 2 times, but 15 is repeating here 3 times. So that means your mode is here 15. So write here as it occurs more frequently than other observations. So mode is here 15. So then see the median here, as we have done that one in first one part, n plus 1 by 2th. Just remember one thing, this one criteria will be useful only when n is odd number of time. Yeah, when n is odd here, only that time we can use this criteria. Otherwise in even numbers we can't use this criteria. We will count and we'll make that how to find out. Fine. So as again here n is odd, as we know that n is 11 here, either you can do n plus 1 by 2 means 11 plus 1 by 2th. So we will check here what is 11 plus 1, that is 12 by 2 means here 6. We will check which one is the here 6 observation. You count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means here 15 is the median, or you can count here. See, total is 11 here. 11 mean to say here we can check 11 means 10 plus 1. You can write also as 11 as 10 plus 1. So what we'll do here, 11, that means to here we will half this one number. The half of 10 is here. The half of 10 is 5. It means to say here after 5 the 6th term is there. You please check which one is the 6th term. This one is 6th term. So right here the median is 15 here. So in this way also you can find out the median. Fine. So this is the criteria to find out median, but use this one n plus 1 by 2th way only to find out the median when the number of term is odd. N is odd here. Fine. When number is 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Fine. When it is odd here, only that time you can use this criteria. Fine. To find out the median. So again what they are asking here, are they three same? Mean to say now we have to check they are same or not. So what we'll do here, now arrange, we will check them. Here the mean is here 39. Mode is here 15. Median is here again 15. You can see all these three are not same. So no, the mean, median and mode are not same. So this is the criteria to simplify this sum.